Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining back on here on my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome to the party. If you're old but a goodie, thank you for coming back. So today, as you guys can tell from the title, I'm going to be trying out the new shaylaxco ColourPop new collection. I bought the entire collection. This is it right here. In the collection, you have 3 lipsticks. One is Common Sis, one is Quickie, and one is Ooh. I think that's how you say it. Ooh. I think the names are so cute. And then it comes with a lip gloss, which is called Knit Freak. 2 highlighters. One is called Booming, and the other is called Pose. And then you have the palette. Now first, let's get into this packaging. I am so in love with the velvety, like it's not like all the way velvet, but there's just something to it. I also love the hat work. I think it's really pretty. The name of the palette is called Perception. It comes with 4, 8, 12, 16 shades, and it has all the names at the back. I love it. Purple is my favorite color. If you guys know me, you know I love purple. So I am really digging this. Oh yes. So the inside, so the palette itself has that same feel, but not as velvety, if that makes any sense. And this is what, whoa. Just opening it, just as I open it up, because this is my first time opening it. Off back opening it up, it looks super beautiful. What you see on the screen is not what I'm seeing right here. It looks super duper beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to be using this palette today for sure. But what I won't be using today are the lip colors, because I do want a different lip color today. I feel like rocking a dark lip. Nothing against this, because I cannot wait to try this. I feel like rocking a lip color like this, so that's why I won't be using the lip colors today. I'm gonna quickly fill in my brows and then I'll be right back. Alright, so brows done, eyes ready for eyeshadow. What I appreciate about this palette right now is that I have 2 good transition shades down here. And it also comes with the first color that I like to place on my crease, which is kind of like my eraser, or like my, like the first shade I like to use, like the first shade I like to put on my crease, which is very close to my complexion. To start the look, I'll be taking the shade Culture. And then I'm going to be taking the shade Thick. Now I'm going to be going into the shade Revenge. That's a pretty color. I like this. Now I'll be taking the shade Played Out. Now to add some more definition and to deepen it up, I'm going to be taking Stallion. Stallion has like some purple, looks purple, it looks blue reflex, but from the video that she made, I know it comes out like black. Back into my blending brush, and I'm going to be taking more of Revenge and a little bit of Thick. Mix those 2 shades together and blend. And then I'm going to be taking the shade TF. What I just did right there, I just took a little bit of Revenge, Thick, and a tiny bit of Played Out. I mixed those 3 shades together, and that was what gave me this transition right here. These are the fallouts that I got, but you guys know fallouts don't really bother me because I do my face last, so going to be taking this MAC Jacob blue eyeliner, and it's the shade Out of the Blue. I'm going to be taking the shade 14. I'm going to use 14 to just smoke up my bottom lash line. Now onto the highlighter. I just love this purple. Oh my goodness. It's Pose. And this is Booming. Booming is definitely much more lighter than Pose. I tend to lean towards Pose, like colors like Pose for highlight. It's really, really pretty. I definitely appreciate how subtle it looks and feels. So that's a plus for me. Alright dolls, we've gotten to the end of the tutorial and it's time for us to discuss. It was really hard for me to kind of, explain everything in the beginning or why I was using it, because I have my kids up here with me. This is Sunday morning, we're getting ready for church. So palette, definitely, I love how it turned out. The only color I felt like it gave me a little bit of problem to get it to stay on my crease was Thick, which is that orange shade right there. That was the only one I felt like I kept having to reapply until it was showing up the way I wanted to show up. Every other shade, I love how they blend together. The shimmery shade, OMG, like this, it looks like a pigment. And it's the TF, that's what I used, right there. I definitely love how it turned out, and you guys will see me use this again for sure. I use Pose because I tend to stick to more colors like this for my own complexion. I feel like it suits me more, so I definitely will be using this a lot more time. There's really nothing much to say about this, this collection. I love everything about it, so I can't wait to try the lip products. And this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, dolls, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.